So I actually just came into Dollarama for a quick couple things, and I couldn't not share what I'm seeing here today. I can't even believe that they just put new things out. These are all new from the last few weeks that I've been coming in. And here we are, so close to Christmas. Aren't these the cutest pillow covers ever? The material is really nice. The colors are vibrant, as you can see. Some really cute patterns, lots of trees. I'm really impressed. These are really cute sets too, because they're glass. Little tree on a mirror, and then it has little ornaments to hang off the branches. This is a neat little tool for those who like to infuse their water. These are new canisters. What a great price. They're ceramic, but the lids are not sealing. Oh darn. If they were a nice tight seal, I'd definitely buy a white one. They're so cute for tea or for coffee. These lights in a box are the same price, but they're a little bit smaller than the ones over here. So keep that in mind if you're looking, because those light terrariums or whatever you call them are a lot bigger. Look at this. Everyone was making these, and here they are, a full set in a wooden box for $4. How awesome is that? These are brand new. They're really nice. Like, you could really do some serious work with the front decoupage something on them. They're such nice quality too. They're much nicer than these ones. So these here are like a metal. The other ones were ceramic for the same price, right? I think the other ones were much nicer. Not sure if it was this container I've seen recently. Yeah, I think it was. It's pretty, like, it's got quite a bit of storage space for $4. Not as large as the Michaels ones, but not too bad either. They have white acrylic paint here if anyone's looking. At least you can pop into Dollarama. Question for those who have melted beads, pony beads, and stuff like that in the past. Have you tried melting these, and have they worked? I was just zooming down the food island at the end of the aisle. This is what's on the end cap. Aren't these freaking adorable little wine covers? I should pick up another timer because these sell out really fast when they get put out. So they must have just been stocked or restocked. And with all the trees that I keep putting up every year, well, these are cute. They change color, LED lights. There's a snowman and a little reindeer. This apron just caught my eye. Isn't it the cutest apron ever? I don't need another apron, but I really do think this one's adorable. This kind of caught my attention, but I'm not really sure exactly what it does. And this looks like a game of some sort. I'm not sure either. I just thought I'd share with you guys if you are looking for things for younger kiddos. I bought one of these already, and I think it's a fantastic deal. The checkout is so long, like the lineup is so long, so I was forced to come down this aisle, which is not where I normally come down. I sometimes skip this aisle, but there's some really cute baby gift bags here today. So I don't know if I came at a really bad time, but it got really busy, so I couldn't film anymore. So I just took a quick few shots of what were on the shelves as I was walking around, and it caught my attention. And I hope that you guys find these videos helpful. Until next time, everyone, I'm going to say goodbye, and I'm also going to share with you how I made some really beautiful DIY gift baskets using mostly Dollar Tree items. But anyways, until next time, everyone, have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.
What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true, that's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls, I've been kind to big and small, and now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. I guess that spring and summer, they're all fine, but I've been waiting for the season that's mine. So let it come, yeah, let it come. See the snowflakes fall, I can hear the sleigh bells call. They're saying it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true, that's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls, I've been kind to big and small, and now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. Let's sing a carol